Welcome to Beautyistic, where we keep it real and dive deep into the details that matter most when it comes to your beauty routine. Today, I'm sharing my thoughts on a product that's been making waves for its sculpting and contouring abilities, the Estee Lauder Sculpting Powder Blush in the shade Rebellious Rose. This product promises buildable color with a matte finish, giving you the ability to sculpt, plump, and contour with ease. But does it really deliver? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the basics. The Sculpting Powder Blush comes in a compact 0.25 ounce size, which feels sleek and luxurious. It's a powder blush with full coverage, designed to help define and shape the face. The shade I tested, Rebellious Rose, is a beautiful rosy mauve with neutral undertones, making it versatile enough for both cool and warm-toned skin. In terms of application, this product is a dream. The powder is finely milled, making it easy to blend, and the matte finish gives it a more natural, skin-like look. I loved how buildable the color is. Whether I was going for a soft, natural flush, or something more sculpted and defined, it offered the flexibility to layer without looking patchy. Plus, the pigment payoff is excellent. Just a small swipe of the brush, and you get a perfect amount of color. When I used it for contouring, I was pleasantly surprised at how well it blended into my foundation, leaving behind a soft, sculpted look that didn't feel overdone. It's not just a blush, it's a multi-purpose product that can help shape your face as well. The added benefit of this blush is its plumping effect. While I didn't notice an immediate dramatic plump, there was a soft, healthy flush that gave my skin a fresh, rejuvenated appearance. On to the wear time. Estee Lauder is known for its long-lasting formulas, and this blush does not disappoint. I tested it during a full day at work and noticed it stayed put without fading or becoming patchy. Even through a few touch-ups and a little face touching, we've all been there. The blush held its own and maintained its intensity. But no product is perfect, and there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the buildability is great, I found that it's easy to go a little overboard if you're not careful. You'll want to start light and build up, especially if you're aiming for that contour look. Also, I would have liked to see a more diverse shade range for different skin tones, as not everyone may find a perfect match in Rebellious Rose. Is it worth the price? Estee Lauder tends to lean on the higher end of the price spectrum, and while this product is fantastic in terms of performance, it may not be the most budget-friendly option out there. However, you're paying for quality, long-lasting, versatile, and a brand with a solid reputation for skincare-infused makeup. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more affordable, but with a similar buildable matte finish, brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal offer good alternatives that won't break the bank. They won't offer the same luxury feel, but they do perform well in terms of coverage and wear time. So, what's my final take? The Estee Lauder Sculpting Powder Blush in Rebellious Rose is a high-quality product that lives up to its claims of contouring and plumping, with a versatile shade and a smooth finish. If you're looking for a blush that doubles as a sculpting tool and want something long-lasting, this is definitely worth considering. It's ideal for anyone who enjoys a full-coverage blush with some extra shaping power. If this review helped you make a decision, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can stay up to date with all the latest beauty reviews here at Beautyistic. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've tried this product or have any thoughts about it, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.